Here's a little interior update on the 57 custom Chevy truck. It's almost all put together.
Keep the hose so I can keep it off of the, by the way, is my phone in there?
Yeah, yeah, it's right over here. But little update of what's going on. These are actually the AC vents. If you ever want to see what $1,000 in AC vents look like, there you go. Has a Flytech or FAT system on it, fast. That's supposed to be lighting up along with that. Vintage air unit. And when you turn the key on, when the vehicle is running, this all lights up. And this is for the four-wheel drive. But little interior update. Have some more coming up.